English-Tagalog Translation Lesson number 27. The internet is down again. The internet is down again. Wala na namang internet. The laundry is piling up. The laundry is piling up. Tumatambak na ang labahin. I'm in the middle of something. I'm in the middle of something. May ginagawa ako ngayon. I have a newborn niece. I have a newborn niece. May bagong panganak akong pamangkin. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold. Sobrang lamig. Can I change my order? Can I change my order? Pwede ko bang baguhin ang order ko? I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Nagpapasalamat ako. I gotta renew my passport. I gotta renew my passport. Kailangan kong i-renew ang passport ko. How do I turn this on? How do I turn this on? Paano ko i-on to? Let's go explore. Let's go explore. Tara, mag-ikot-ikot tayo. Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Saan ang labasan? I'm heading to the bank. I'm heading to the bank. Papunta ako sa bangko. The traffic is always bad here. The traffic is always bad here. Laging matindi ang traffic dito. Do you believe in karma? Do you believe in karma? Naniniwala ka ba sa karma? The weather is getting colder. The weather is getting colder. Lumalamig na ang panahon. I need to get gas. I need to get gas. Kailangan kong magpagasolina. I have two siblings. I have two siblings. May dalawa akong kapatid. I have a lot of responsibilities. I have a lot of responsibilities. Marami akong responsibilidad. My friend is getting married. My friend is getting married. Ikakasal ang kaibigan ko. I need a doctor's prescription. I need a doctor's prescription. Kailangan ko ng reseta ng doktor. I'm watching a new series. I'm watching a new series. May pinapanood akong bagong palabas. What time do you close? What time do you close? Anong oras kayo nagsasara? I gotta buy a gift. I gotta buy a gift. Kailangan kong bumili ng regalo. I'm learning to code. I'm learning to code. Nag-aaral akong mag-code. He's a great cook. He's a great cook. Magaling siyang cook o magaling siyang magluto. I'm feeling content. I'm feeling content. Kontento ako. Which places have you traveled to? Which places have you traveled to? Saan-saang lugar ka na nakapunta? She's on her way. She's on her way. Papunta na siya. He's very generous. He's very generous. Napakagalante niya. I'm taking an online course. I'm taking an online course. May kinukuha akong online course. I work for a large company. I work for a large company. Nagtatrabaho ako sa isang malaking kumpanya. My older sister lives in the US. My older sister lives in the US. Nakatira sa Amerika ang ate ko. My uncle lives nearby. My uncle lives nearby. Malapit lang ang bahay ng tiyuhin ko. The meeting went well. The meeting went well. Ayos naman yung meeting. I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you. Nakalimutan kong sabihin sa'yo.